Hey everybody, and welcome back to another Alpine Gremlins video. Today, we're gonna be going over how to make your own ice tool hangboard for indoor dry tool training. So what you're gonna wanna start with is a nice solid piece of wood that'll be strong enough to hold the picks of ice tools without breaking or flaking. What we have here is a piece of maple from a cutting board that came unglued. Another really great woods for this are Ipe, really super dense, red balau, or on the cheaper side, oak will also work well. Next, a piece of sandpaper just to knock off any rough patches and keep it looking nice because it's going to be inside. And a drill for drilling the holes and driving screws if you do choose to put on any extra holes. And now here is a piece of aluminum that I've drilled some holes in for mounting and holes for pick placements as well. First up, let's get it sanded and looking nice. So next we're gonna actually put the pick holes in it that we'll grab with our ice tools. And for that, I'm just using a power drill with like a 1/2 inch drill bit in here. Whatever is fine, whatever fits the pick. Really important is to not drill all the way through, so just be careful. As long as they're deep enough to take the first, maybe the second tooth, that'll be good. Something to remember is I don't want them all to be in the same place, but mostly why I'm drilling multiple is just so you can switch between different holds between exercises. Now, I'm just gonna clean it up and make it look nice. So this is the completed hangboard before mounting. Each of these small holes is a pick placement that's like super bomber, super deep, first or second tooth, but the directionality isn't really important. And what I did with this piece of aluminum, it has 2 holes drilled in it that are a lot smaller, only take the first tooth, and directionality is very important for that. So that's to help, train different tensioning and muscle techniques on dry tool holds with an ice tool in your hand. And as far as which holds you can put on this, the only limit is your creativity. I also put bolt hangers for TRX straps. You can put a regular plastic climbing hold that you like if you have one for dry tooling. You can even, if you want to spend a lot of money on this, get something like Furnace Industries or Krukonogi dry tool stainless steel holds and turn this into just a micro jet. So mounting this thing, it just mounts like any other hangboard. A couple of screws all around over a door, and just make sure that you're in a stud so it doesn't get yanked off and you smash yourself in the face with your ice tools. All right, so this is the door I'm gonna mount it in here next to our gear room, and almost every door has what's called a header above it, which is a piece of wood going horizontally like this. They're either 2x4s, in which case it'll be 3.5 inches from just above the trim, or 2x6, and then it'll be come out to about 5.5 inches above the trim. So since I know that there's some stud stuff down here, I'm gonna take my hangboard, hold it up, make sure I'm mounting it the correct way up so the holes are aimed down. Find approximately the center of the door and put a few screws in right where I think the center of the header is. Oh yeah, we found something. So grab your favorite set of ice tools and let's hang. Hey everybody, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Coming up next is how to use the ice tool hangboard and some workouts that you can do at home.